Okay, this is my rant on button cell batteries and Swiss watches. So I have a Certina watch. Do you think these batteries will fit in my watch? LR44, no. These are usually for toys. You think this will fit in my watch? I know, no. This is for bigger stuff. This is the most common size of battery, but still there are some thin ones and some thick ones, so you never know which one it is. Also, some of them have some have different voltages. I know it's 3 volts. So these ones are alkaline. It doesn't say how many volts. 1.5 volts. And these are 3 volts. This is very common, and you could have a thicker battery like this, but if your device needs a thicker battery, you just bend these tabs inside of the device a little bit and it will fit. Yeah, same here. And I found this amazing pack, a Polaroid 1.5 volts 25 pack button cell assortment. Look how many kinds. It's for keys, watches, calculators, expiry date. Cadmium, mercury and cadmium free, which is great. Listen. .5 volts, 25 pieces. That's pretty good. So, because these are for watches, my watch should definitely fit one of these. This is one way of measuring on the left, and on the right a different way of measuring. So these are, I think, silver. It doesn't say. I can't tell what's inside them. I guess battery materials. I don't know. Maybe, okay, the original, the Renata batteries. It's always Renata that it's needed. So I have to change the battery on my watch. I bought these tools. And I don't have an automatic watch. It needs a battery, and I always have to buy these batteries. Renata 394 SR396SW, Swiss made, and it's 0% mercury. And this is a silver battery with they usually have a short expiry date, and they come in big packs. And I bought this, I think, a few years ago. I bought 2, and eventually I replaced both of them because they do last actually maybe 2 years. I think one battery like this, 2 or 3 years. But usually what I did last time, I left the chronograph. This is my watch here. I left the chronograph on. Trying to clean it up a little bit. So I left the chronograph function on, and it was running too much, and battery was just depleted. You see, this is the chronograph was running the second interval. It's a really nice watch. I like it. Certina or Certina or something like this. I did wear it a lot. First time when I tried to change the battery, I even ruined it a little bit. Actually, the guy, I went to a shop, to a jeweler, to change it, and he made it worse. But I already scratched it, so the first first scratch was from me. Yeah, so this thing, that watch needs this battery, and this is the battery here. This is the battery, Renata 394, Swiss made. It's just a simple battery. It's just a simple battery. It's probably even not original. The only difference is the size, really. So I cannot find this battery easily. Very hard to find this battery. Only the watch shops have it. 394. I have 364, 384, 377, 386, 367, 357, but not, I don't have 394. So I think the size, it's relative to the number is related to the size of this battery. So probably I don't know. Seems like that one. Yeah, this I think 3 is the thickness. Kind of. They are all the same voltage, all 1.5 volts. Yeah, this would have been nice to put there because it's bigger. But this could work also. It's just a bit too small. And I will do a small trick to make it work in my watch. Hopefully it will work. But this pack from Polaroid is the closest thing, 384 to the 394 I need. And I don't understand why they have to. Actually, I think I understand why. So it's more protected. The battery is protected. Write in the comments below if you know about this battery, if it has some kind of a patent that doesn't allow any brand to make them or something like that. I'm not going to search for it now, but you do the search and let me know. Anyway, all I need is to change the battery in my watch. I don't really wear this watch much. So I will try it and let you know if it works.